Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something really practical that everyone should have, a first aid kit. But not just any first aid kit. We're going to talk about how to put together a natural first aid kit using items you might already have or can easily find. This isn't for major emergencies, of course, but it's fantastic for those everyday bumps, scrapes, bug bites, and minor annoyances. First off, let's think about cuts and scrapes. Instead of reaching straight for chemical antiseptics, consider using a natural alternative. Tea tree oil is amazing for this. It's got powerful natural antiseptic properties. Just make sure to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil before putting it on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Another fantastic option is a bottle of witch hazel. It's gentle, can cleanse wounds, and also helps to reduce inflammation. For a natural bandage, keep some clean gauze pads and paper tape handy. And for little cuts, a good quality natural balm or salve with ingredients like calendula or comfrey can really help with healing. Next, what about those annoying bug bites and stings? Instead of scratching them raw, try a dab of lavender essential oil. Lavender is known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can really help take the itch out of a bite. You can also make a paste with baking soda and a little water, apply it to the bite, and it often provides instant relief. And for general skin irritations, a soothing aloe vera gel is a must-have. You can even get it straight from the plant if you have one. It's super cooling and great for minor burns too. For muscle aches, sprains, or just general soreness, a good quality magnesium oil or a magnesium-rich cream can be really helpful. Magnesium is a mineral that helps muscles relax, and applying it topically can sometimes ease discomfort. You can also use peppermint essential oil, diluted, of course, for a cooling sensation that can help with headaches or tired muscles. Don't forget the power of activated charcoal. While not for direct wounds, activated charcoal capsules can be incredibly useful for accidental ingestion of toxins, like if a child eats something they shouldn't. Always consult poison control first, or for calming an upset stomach. It works by binding to toxins and helping your body eliminate them. And finally, always have some raw honey on hand. We talked about manuka honey before, but even regular raw honey has amazing antibacterial properties and can be used on small cuts or abrasions to promote healing. So, when you're putting together your natural first aid kit, think simple, effective, and straight from nature. These natural alternatives can be incredibly helpful for everyday issues, giving you peace of mind and gentle relief.